wakes upon the mountain high. Whispers of the wind, a gentle sigh. Leaves are dancing, shadows play, softly calling me to start the day. Breathe the air, let the silence in. Feel the calm, let the peace begin. Mountain whispers through the trees, carry me away on the breeze. Sunlight spills across the ridge, soft and warm, a gentle bridge. Every step upon the trail tells a story calm and frail. Breathe the air, let the silence in. Feel the calm, let the peace begin. Mountain whispers through the trees, carry me away on the breeze. Clouds are floating, drifting slow. Time suspends, the moments grow. Nature hums a lullaby, softly singing to the sky. Breathe the air, let the silence in. Feel the calm, let the peace begin. Mountain whispers through the trees.